Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax number. Understanding your tax number is the first step to managing your financial responsibilities. This unique identifier is essential for nearly every financial interaction you'll have, from starting a new job to opening a bank account or even receiving government benefits. It's known by various names around the world, such as a taxpayer identification number or a social security number, but its purpose remains consistently the same: to identify you to tax authorities. The application process for obtaining your tax number is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail. First, you'll need to gather all your personal identification documents, which we'll discuss in more detail shortly. Next, you'll complete the official application form, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Finally, you can submit your application. Depending on your location, this might be done conveniently through an online portal, by mailing in your documents, or by visiting a local tax office in person. When applying for your tax number, having the correct documents ready will significantly speed up the process. You'll typically need at least two forms of identification. The first is proof of identity, such as a valid passport, a national identification card, or a driver's license. The second is proof of your current residential address, which could be a recent utility bill, a bank statement, or a rental agreement. In some specific cases, a birth certificate or a valid visa might also be requested. After submitting your application, the waiting period for receiving your tax number can vary. Typically, processing times range from a few business days to several weeks, depending on the volume of applications and the specific tax authority. Once processed, your tax number will be delivered to you, either through postal mail to your registered address or electronically via email. It is absolutely crucial to keep this number secure and confidential, as it will be used for all your future tax filings and financial transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.